This is the third and last of 3 videos that will provide you with a basic demonstration of how to install, set up, and use the MIR WinspiroPRO spirometry software connected to any MIR spirometer. In this video, we will be doing the FVC test. Have the patient put the mouthpiece in their mouth and click the FVC. Click Start, having the patient breathe normally. Then have them take their deep breath and do the expiratory and inspiratory maneuvers. At the end of the test, click Enter on the keyboard to accept the test and to be brought to the results screen. To do another effort, simply click the FVC icon and do the test. When you have completed all of your efforts and are back at the results screen, you will see the results of all these efforts. To print the results, simply click the Print icon, and the customer report will appear on the screen. Below the patient icon, you will now see 2 small icons that allow you to either export the report via a variety of ways or to print a hard copy of the report. To export the report, click the Export icon on the left. This will bring you to the export screen, where you can select the file type you want to use from the top drop-down list and where you want to store the file. We will be saving the file as a PDF file, which can be imported directly into your electronic health record program. Click OK. This will take you to the Export Options screen, which allows you to export the entire report or specific pages of the report. Click OK, and you will be taken to the File Manager, which will allow you to name the file and select its location. To print, just click the Print icon on the right and follow the on-screen directions. You have now completed doing a spirometry test using any MIR device and the WinspiroPRO software. This concludes Part 3. The last of the WinspiroPRO demonstration videos. For more detailed demonstration of the WinspiroPRO or any of the other MIR spirometers, contact MIR at 844-4MIR-USA, and we will have one of our spirometry specialists schedule an appointment with you. Or you may visit our website at www.spirometry.com.